टॉस एडवांटेज है आपको, आप क्या करना चाहेंगे?
So I would like to do the bowling first.
सो एंगुलर अटैकर्स bowling first. They have the same playing 11. Flying Falcons, can we please have your batsman on the field? Flying Falcons. Shreyas, can we please have your batsman on the field?
हेलो सुरेश, बैट्समैन किधर है? दूसरा किधर है?
The teams to start the play immediately. Umpires are already on the ground. Good afternoon, friends, and welcome to VCL Season 9, brought to you by K12 Insight, Sogolytics, and Mouthshut.com. We are privileged to have a wonderful day of cricket here at Islam Gymkhana. The match is happening between Angular Attackers and Flying Falcons.
Can we have one member from Flying Falcons and one from Angular Attackers at the score box, please? One member from Flying Falcons and one from Angular Attackers from the score box, please. Thank you.
Shreyas Pandey and Imran, the same pair that came in the last match to open the innings. And first over will be bowled by Tamim Sheikh. Shreyas Pandey got out early in the first match and Imran Khan scored 41 runs. Mohammad Naqib, Nadeem, they are all getting ready for a fielding plan. Ayush Yadav is definitely the trump card for this team, who scored a brilliant half century in their first match. Unfortunately, they ended on losing side, but Captain Mohammad Naqib was confident. He told that this is our first match. Boys were a bit nervous, but now they are acclimatized to the conditions, and let's hope they put up a brilliant show in second league match. It's a T10 format, and Tamim Sheikh is going to bowl from Islam Gymkhana end. Batting is happening from Parsi Gymkhana end for first 5 overs, and then the reversal. Batting will happen from Islam Gymkhana and then bowling will happen from Parsi Gymkhana end in last 5 overs of the first innings. Well, scorer Imam is with us. First ball, a perfect leg cutter angling into the right hander. Batter was not at all ready to face that. Dot ball. Excellent start for the second match. Angular attackers must have taken a team meeting. Balls from the edge of the crease. A wonderful delivery, keeping low. A submarine ball. Shreyas Pandey having some cramps, and that ball was hit on the box. And that's why protective gear is very important for players. Can we have first aid box, some water and some treatment for the player? Not everyone needs to come in, please. Not everyone. We do not want more people to be in. Let him get relaxed, but we'll provide him with all the first aid help that we have. Oh, he's got up. Yeah, that's what I like about Shreyas Pandey. Sheikh Tamim looks more disciplined in the afternoon compared to morning. He has learned the tricks of the trade. Three perfect balls by Sheikh Tamim. There's not a single run scored by Shreyas Pandey, and if he is able to bowl another dot ball, yes, there are 4 balls without any runs, and that all the 4 zeros, if you take them together, it becomes a logo of an Audi. Shreyas Pandey yet to open his account. Wide ball.
Brother Apama. Eat.
Sheikh Tamim. Oh, what an angle. Curling away from the right-hander. That's the angle you would want him to bowl. There are so many left-arm bowlers, Michelle Stark, Wasim Akram, Zair Khan. They all bowled that angle, troubling the batter. In the block hole, wonderful over. It's a maiden over. Reminding bowl like a miser, bat like a millionaire. A start of the new over by Mohammad Nakib. This time an inside out shot. They will take at least single. Brilliant stop. This is what angular attackers will have to do. Keep saving runs. Indian government says save tiger. Mumbai Municipal Corporation says save water. Angular attackers save runs. This time driven on the onside. Beautifully timed. They will convert it into 2 now. Excellent running between the wicket. Positive intent. Calling was good. Flying Falcons slowly coming back on track after that maiden over. You get 60 balls to bat. Wicket to wicket bowling by Mohammad Naqib. That's what this team is all about. Strong comeback in match number 2. Scoring runs is not easy. Right now, Flying Falcons, they are on earth, they are not in sky, but they will have to fly. We may see some helicopter shots. That's up in the air, but lands in safe zone and a single. End of 2 overs, 5 runs.
పిచ్చి కాకుండా
సందుల
One thing that Shreyas Pandey will have to do is to improve his strike rate. In limited overs game, you need to have strike rate of at least 150 and then accelerate it up to 200. Oh, what a delivery that is. A Jaffa. Unplayable Jaffa. Well, Jaffa is an sweet orange that is being grown near Jaffa, which is a place near Tel Aviv. Lovely delivery. Complete turnaround story, I must say. Angular attackers, they are attacking, they are bowling in right angle. That's why we are angular attackers. We attack on the angles. Bye.
हर कदम तेरा करे मुझे घायल है अरे हम तो मामूली से
6 with that single. Seventh run on the scoreboard. Bye. Hardly any runs with the bat. It's all about extra runs. Kitna? 7 runs without any wickets. Flying Falcons are batting first after the toss advantage. Even Imran Khan is losing his patience. And Shreyas Pandey, who is on the strike, he is unable to connect the ball. Now that's Iron Handsome, and it will be K12 inside 6. हूं. End of the third over gone. 13 runs without any wickets. They are all. I mean, they bowled lots and lots of wides and no balls, but look at this innings. More discipline, especially Tamim. The way he showed, the line and length are my strength. Ayush, who's such a fantastic batter, and batting power play taken. Mohammad Nakib now getting ready, captain himself taking responsibility on his shoulders, and he'll be bowling to Shreyas Pandey. Pandey not out on 9 of 16 balls. Lower full toss ball played in the gap, and this will be a street smart cricket. Sokolitics 4. For Sokolitics 4. Two back-to-back fours and score 21 without any wickets.
दाढ़ी वाला
Mohammad Nakib has got good bowling action. He's releasing it well. He's a more of a muscle bowler. He puts in everything when he delivers. It's all. But using the pace of the ball, steers it past the third man fans for Sokolitics 4. And a delightful uppercut, and this will be Sokolitics 4. Strike rate, but Imran Khan, he is back. अफान अंसारी, अफान द तूफान। अभी अभी मैंने कुछ दिन पहले कोल्ड ड्रिंक का ऐड देखा था जिसमें लिखा गया था तूफान को ग्लास से पियो। देखिए अब ये अफान तूफान क्या करेगा। नए ओवर की पहली गेंद गैप में खेला गया, खूबसूरत स्क्वायर कट, सोगोलिटिक्स 4। अपना लोहा मनवाते हुए इमरान खान जहां रुके थे वहीं से शुरुआत की है इस मुकाबले में। और ये यही वजह है कि वो एक ऐसे वाहिद खिलाड़ी है जो हरफन मौला है। इमरान जितना देर रुकेंगे उतना फायदा रहेगा फाल्कन फ्लायर्स का। एंगुलर अटैकर्स ने ये मैच में एडी चोटी का जोर लगा दिया है अच्छी गेंदबाजी करने के लिए। एक और बेहतर बॉल, बिल्कुल अतड़ियों पर आती हुई गेंद जिसको हिटिंग द रिप केज अंग्रेजी में कहा जाता है, उस तरह की गेंदें। इमरान खान को भी थोड़ा सा बांध कर रखा है। शेख तमीम, अफान, ये सभी ने मुतासिर किया आज जिस तरह गेंदबाजी हुई है। बल्ले का अंदरूनी सिरा और 1 रन। 35 रन बने हैं। अभी तक कोई विकेट नहीं मिला है, ये अच्छी बात है। विकेट को बचाकर रखना ये बटवे में बचाकर रखे गए 500 के नोट की तरह है। इस बार पुल कर दिया है, गेंद को गुल कर दिया है। आलीशान 4, सोगोलिटिक्स 4। इमरान खान 13 बॉल में 23 पर खेल रहे हैं। इमरान खान को रन नहीं बनाने को कहना, इसका मतलब ये है कि किसी खवैये को डाइट करने को कहना। इमरान खान रन बनाते ही रहते हैं। पारी का छठा ओवर, ज्यादा फ्लाइट दी थी और डॉट बॉल। अच्छी शुरुआत यहां पर कर चुके हैं मनोज भोपी। फुल टॉस बॉल थी, खेला है ऑन साइड पर, अपने पैर से उस गेंद को रोककर उस शॉट की ताकत को कम किया था। फील्डिंग के दो पहलू है, एक गेंद को रोकना और फिर उसे थ्रो करना, और ये दोनों जब सही हो जाए तो फिर फायदा होता है। इसीलिए अंग्रेजी में कहा गया, फील्डिंग इज लाइक मैथमेटिक्स, द मोर यू प्रैक्टिस मोर यू बिकम परफेक्ट। एक बार आप बल्लेबाजी गेंदबाजी का प्रैक्टिस ना करें, बट डू प्रैक्टिस योर फील्डिंग। सीधी सटीक गेंदबाजी, हवा में तैर कर आती हुई गेंद थी, और श्रेयस पांडे बड़ा स्ट्रोक खेलते समय मिस कर गए। दो कदम आगे है और फिर ऑन द राइज खेला है, बॉल गई है वाइडिश एक्स्ट्रा कवर पर। इस पारी में अब तक हमने एक भी K12 इनसाइड 6 नहीं देखा है, जो उनको लगाने शुरू करने पड़ेंगे। एक अच्छी बात यह है कि mouthshut.com विकेट अभी तक नहीं दिया है। अपने घुटने पर बैठकर खेला गया ये बैठक शॉट, और एक रन। ऑन ड्राइव और एक रन, 43 6 ओवर के बाद। यह डगआउट का दृश्य दिखाया जा रहा है, जहां पर अपने आंखों पर सनग्लास पहनकर प्रदीप बैठे थे। सनग्लास में तपती हुई धूप में बैठना प्रदीप के लिए भी एक मतलब रामचरण वाली फीलिंग है। मनोज भोपी, मानना पड़ेगा, कम खर्चा फुल चर्चा मनोज भोपी का। For single. What I like about Imran Khan is his hunger for runs has increased vociferously, and so is the hunger in Shreyas Pandey. Shreyas Pandey, being the captain, knows very well that we need to give priority to the runs. Only runs can save us. Played uppishly, that's a rocket hit. Neither got height nor the distance, and this is a mouthshut.com wicket. New man in walking is Ankit. It was Ankit and Imran who played very well, and now that they have lost Imran, Ankit will be stepping into the shoes of Imran. Shreyas Pandey got out early in the first match, but in this match he is playing a patient inning. Caution combined with aggression is the approach of Shreyas Pandey. Cross-batted stroke. This is what is the beauty of the modern day cricket, where you give less importance to the technique and you give more importance to ability to score runs. ability to take risk. Half tracker ball hooked away and almost a sure shot boundary saved. Flying Falcons right now 46 for 1. Wide ball given by umpire Hatim Kapasi. Ankit Sulakhe and Shreyas Pandey are the batters. Ankit Sulakhe on strike at this stage. Now that's pulled away, but this time it was aimed towards wideish long on, and Manoj Bhopi was the fielder. Normally the pull
Suresh
shot.
सुरेश पांडे स्ट्राइक देखते क्या करते अगली गेंद ये बॉल जोर से मारा और ये बाउंड्री बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बैटिंग करते हुए बॉल गेंद हाथ में मिस फील्डिंग यहां पर मिस फील्डिंग होते थ्रो किया फिर से एक बार श्रेयस पांडे उमर गेंद करते हुए श्रेयस पांडे को अफान गेंद करते हुए श्रेयस पांडे को फील्डिंग में थोड़ा चेंजेस कर रहे हैं श्रेयस पांडे ये जोर से घुमाया बैट पर बैट और गेंद का कुछ संपर्क नहीं हो पाया इतनी अच्छी तरीके से संपर्क नहीं हो रहा है एक सिक्स हिट करते क्या देखते ये जोर से मारा बॉल पर नहीं सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में गेंद गई अच्छी गेंदबाजी कर रहे हैं आफिन अफान ये जोर से घुमाया बॉल और का डायरेक्ट बाउंड्री रेखा के बाहर एक रन के लिए अंकित देखते क्या करते एक सिक्स और बाउंड्री हिट करते एक ही नहीं ये जोर से घुमाई बैट और डायरेक्ट गेंद सीमा रेखा के बाहर अमेजिंग बैटिंग करते हुए
8 overs and 68 runs is the current situation. Good afternoon, welcome everyone to Village Cricket League Season 9, brought to you by Sogolytics, K12 Insight and Mouthshut.com. These are the companies which are doing wonderful job, and because the office is situated at Pali Village, that's in Pali Hill, it's called Village Cricket League Season 9. Delivered by the corporate. Start of the fresh over by Tamim Sheikh, bowled in the block hole. And well, it's very important that when you do the business, you also want to offer staff welfare, and cricket is one of the best platform to unite people. There is a cricket for ladies, there is a cricket for gentlemen, and that's how we come together. And if the team is doing good, there is a saying in English, teamwork makes you dream work. So the teamwork can be the best only through picnics, outings, then of course sports programs, various competitions. And I think there is a perfect motivation for all the employees. Well, I must thank Sogolytics and also K12 Insight and Mouthshut.com for providing such a wonderful platform to the young and budding talents. These guys are good maybe in Excel sheet, PowerPoint presentations, in data analytics, but they also have this quality of showcasing their cricket skills. Now there's a first wicket attempted by Ankit Sulakhe, misses it, chance of a run out, missed by a whisker, and backup available. So it's all happening here at Islam Gymkhana. So wide ball. Present matches happening between angular attackers and flying falcons. Angular attackers are bowling and flying falcons are batting. 10-10 overs match. First 2 overs of mandatory power play. That was targeted towards the leg side and will be given wide by umpire Hatim Kapasi, who's at the bowler's end. Umpire Ronak, he is at the striker's end. And our scorer Imam, adding colors to this tournament with his digital scoring and also manual scoring. That's on the leg side. One more. Angular attackers will have to be vigilant about giving extra runs. We saw that in their first match, they conceded too many wides and no balls, but now they have recovered in this match considerably. Mistimed and chance of a catch out, and finally he grabs it. Mouthshut.com wicket. Ayush Yadav takes the catch. Consistency is very important, be it your work, be it your life, be it art, sports, culture, literature. Consistency. People remember consistent people. That's an action replay of Mouthshut.com wicket. That was on the stumps. Tamim Sheikh has improved considerably. He is under study to senior players. We are in over number 9 at the end of 9, 78 for 2. $78 for 2. Last over. Manoj Bopi getting a chance. Is a tall and lanky cricketer. Height is definitely an advantage in any sports. I mean, right from table tennis to badminton to basketball to cricket. Manoj Bopi starts with last over single taken by Rohan Padwar. Ankit Sulakhe is his partner. Chance of a run out and gone. Yes, that's mouthshut.com wicket. That's high and handsome K12 inside 6.
गाड़ी वाला आया
Flowing on this Islam Gymkhana ground because it's VCL season 9. Lower full toss and a baseball hit. Lovely timing, and that will be Sokolitics 4. Sulake reading it so well and driving it to the perfection on the onside. They are going for 2. Will this be? Oh, another run out. It's a sequence of run outs here. Mouthshut.com wicket.
captain of React Royals. Can I please have you on the field?
$93 is the target.
So we have both the captains, captains of C Sharp Kings, Shadab, and captains of React Royals, Rohit Wagh. Along with them, we have Hamid Faruqi here, who will flip the coin.
Heads. Field first.
So C Sharp Kings have won the toss and elected to field first. Thank you. On field, please. Ayush Yadav. Ayush Yadav will be presented with the orange cap for the most runs scored in VCL Season 9. Can we please hear it for him?
The more experience you gain, and every match is a different match. It teaches you so many situations and decision making. If you want to become a good decision maker, one should must become umpire. That will bring out the best in you as far as decision making is concerned. You're watching Village Cricket League Season 9, match number 3. And Angular Attackers are now going to chase a target against Flying Falcons. The target is 93. Pradeep will bowl the first over as both the openers are on the ground. Aditya, and with him we have orange cap holder Ayush Yadav. Aditya and Ayush. This time it was over pitched and nudged it behind the square for single. Leg by. The batter is going for 2 runs. It doesn't matter whether run comes from bat or an extra run, as long as it keeps coming. Pradeep to Aditya. Aditya playing this upishly, and this will be Sogolytics 4. Exquisite timing. By Aditya. Angular attackers have started on a positive note. Lot of flight given and beautiful football skills shown by Ankit Sulake, reminding you of footballer like Rock Santa Cruz of Paraguay. Very colorful t-shirt. That's very important when you try to do a change of pace. You bring about variation in speed with approximately 10 kilometers, more or less. Ayush Yadav. Wide ball. So first wide was on the leg side, second on the off side. Pradeep needs to realize one thing, that he needs to bowl stump to stump. That's where he will force the batter to play straight down the ground. Elegant looking straight drive, and this will be Sogolytics 4. Ayush Yadav. He's the orange cap holder. He's going through the purple patch, although he's wearing orange cap. This time ballooned in the air, an easy catch taken by Gaurav, mouthshut.com wicket. Number 12, the same jersey number that Yuvraj Singh used to wear. And Ayush Yadav, hero of last match, got out for 4. New man is Mohammad Naqib, who is the captain of this Angular Attackers. On the other hand, Pradeep with that wicket would certainly now try and bowl a tight line. Lower full toss. Will this be 2 out of 2? Oh, he's the same Gaurav who took the catch, and he's the same Gaurav who has dropped the catch. And that is what is called Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum moment of Karan Johar. What was Gaurav doing? Was he preparing a man of the match speech? I think he was present physically, and that ball slipped out of his hands. Score right now 14 for 1. End of the first over, and now it's going to be Ubaid Bari. Ubaid Bari, he bowled very well in the first match for Falcon Flyers. He took wicket of Saurabh Gupta. Not to forget, Saurabh Gupta is a macho man. He hits ball out of the park with so much of power. Horizontal bat shot, and Imran Khan stops the ball. Imran Khan is a utility player. You tell him to bowl, bat, field. He's second highest run scorer right now. If you ask him to walk on the glass, he will tell you how many miles. Very few cricketers are like Imran Khan. Mohammad Naqib to face Ubaid Bari, and this time bowler's back drive. You are watching Village Cricket League Season 9, brought to you by Sogolytics, K12 Insight and Mouthshut.com. 4 teams, 1 winner. Into the block hole and played with soft hands. Fielder at mid-on. Ankit Sulakhe stops the ball. Fielding is one important aspect of your game, and that's why I would certainly cite an example given by Jonty Rhodes on fielding. Take 5 catches close to your chest, 5 high skyer catches, 5 low line catches, 5 catches to your left, 5 to your right, 25 catches a day. And you will be a better fielder. So now Ankit Sulakhe is stopping the ball. Excellent fielding there. Ankit Sulakhe, whether he's on offside or on onside, his commitment is the same. He intercepted the shot. Score 16 for 1 as Mohammad Naqib to face Ubaid Bari. This time it's in the air. Dolly catch, and Ankit Sulakhe sends the captain packing, and this is a Mouthshut.com wicket. Ankit Sulakhe was the right man at the right time, at the right place, on a right delivery. Thank you, Mr. Sulakhe. Entire team must have told him. He grabbed it with both the hands, and Mouthshut.com wicket. Newmanin is Nadeem and a wide ball. Ubed Bari has bowled well so far, but then they will have to be really careful with Aditya Bohade, because once he gets going, he is unstoppable. Score 16 for 2. Nicely driven, and that cover drive will get him a single. Now, correction, the score is 18 for loss of 2 wickets after 2 overs. Runs, required run rate 9.31, current run rate 9.27. Pradeep gets ready to bowl his second over, and this will be third over of the innings as Nadeem gets ready to face him. Aditya Bohade is at the non-striker's end. He's not out on 6 of 5. Pradeep getting ready. Gaurav is at long off. Super. This is what you got to bowl. Keep the batter guessing. You bowl a line where batter is clueless. A good length ball. Missed time, but nothing to worry. Variation in pace, variation in bounce, and the lateral movement, the trajectory that you bowl certainly is going to play an important role in this match. Angular attackers are a very good batting side. Flying Falcons very much realize that. That's hard hit, and this will be one bounce, and Sogolytics 4. जाके तू खो जाए खो जा. Sadashiv looks like Allu Arjun today. No ball and free hit. Aditya Bohade is a natural striker of the ball, and he just waited and thought it nice to leave it. Wide ball, free hit continues. (25 for 2). Third over. Wide ball, free hit continues. This is where Pradeep will have to be really careful. Score now 26 for 2. Wide ball, 27 for 2. A series of wide balls. There's nothing that captain can do. He can't come and bowl for you. Pradeep very much realizes this, that he is one of the important bowlers of the squad and he needs to bowl well. Now he's coming in right arm round the wicket. Overpitched and played it beautifully. One bounce, and that will be a marvelous Sokoletics 4. Plan working wonders for Pradeep, who tantalized batter to go for a shot, and what a catch taken by Ankit Sulake. Mouthshut.com wicket. Third wicket gone and Newman in. Afan Ansari. Wide ball. Again the same problem. Pradeep's bowling is like Shahid Kapoor films. Lovely ball. Now this kind of deliveries, they certainly pose all sorts of trouble for the new batter. End of the over, and it's 32 for the loss of 3 wickets after 3 overs. Current run rate 10.94, required run rate 8.65. Afan Ansari on 0, Nadeem on 2 of 3. Pradeep has bowled 2 overs, 25 runs and 2 wickets. Ubaid Bari will bowl the next over. नया ओवर करेंगे उबैद बारी और उनके सामने है अफान अंसारी. नया आ चुके नदीम. स्ट्राइक बदला है. धीमी गेंद थी और पर्याप्त समय था उसे खेलने का एक्स्ट्रा कवर की और तेज कदम भागते हुए दूसरा लेने का प्रयास और बिल्कुल समय पर पहुंच गए थे, वरना आउट हो सकते थे.
हेलो
बहुत ही बढ़िया गेंद उबैद बारी. राउंड द विकेट जब से आए उबैद बारी अच्छी बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं, इस बात में कोई शक नहीं है, लेकिन वो जारी रखना होगा. जब आप एक अच्छा काम करते हैं तो उसको जारी रखना ये बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी रहेगी. एंगुलर अटैकर्स अपने 3 बेशकीमती बल्लेबाज खो चुके हैं, खास करके आदित्य और आयुष, ये उनके 2 ट्रम्प कार्ड आउट हुए हैं. आंखें बंद करके खेलने का प्रयास था. बढ़िया एंगल, स्विंग एंड मिस. पैर चलाने होंगे नदीम को. मोबाइल में नेटवर्क, बैटिंग में फुटवर्क और खेल में टीम वर्क। बहुत ही बढ़िया करारा स्ट्रेट ड्राइव, घास को गुदगुदी होती हुई सोगोलिटिक्स चौका। इस्लाम जिमखाना की वो हरी घास पर आग लगाने वाला स्ट्रेट ड्राइव था नदीम का। बेहतर वापसी की है उबैद बारी ने। मिला जुला ओवर रहा है, कभी डॉट बॉल, कभी 2 रन, कभी चौका। $38 for 3। नदीम ने इस बार धीमे से पुश किया है, स्क्वायर ऑफ द विकेट 1 रन लिया। ये बहुत सही तकनीक भी है, चौका लगाकर 1 रन ले, स्ट्राइक को घुमाए। सारे रन मैं अकेला बनाऊंगा ये अहम है, लेकिन सारे रन मैं ही बना सकता हूं ये वहम है, इसलिए स्ट्राइक को घुमाना जरूरी है। 4 ओवर का खेल समाप्त होता हुआ। 4 ओवर के बाद स्कोर है 39 फॉर द लॉस ऑफ 3 विकेट्स।
The target achieve if they don't lose wickets. I think the target is what, 92.
92 है।
There's still 6 overs left.
यहां पर अफान अंसारी और नदीम 93 का टारगेट है। नया ओवर करेंगे इमरान खान, जर्सी नंबर 36। आप देख रहे हैं VCL सीजन 9। इस बार मिस टाइम किया और लौटना होगा mouthshut.com विकेट। इमरान ने आते ही वहां पर बहुत बड़ा झटका दिया है। नदीम कैच देकर वापस लौटे। श्रेयस पांडे के हाथ में ये कैच था। बल्ले को ढाल बनाना पड़ेगा। मिस टाइम किया था इमरान की गेंद को और एक आसान कैच पांडे ने लिया। ऐसे भी इमरान और श्रेयस पांडे के बीच में बैटिंग की पार्टनरशिप भी है और बॉलिंग फील्डिंग की भी पार्टनरशिप है। धीमी गेंद आगे आकर थोड़ा सा संयम खोया था बैटर ने। तमीम शेख फ्लाइंग फाल्कन्स की बॉलिंग चल रही है, एंगुलर अटैकर्स की बैटिंग चल रही है। टारगेट 93 का है। बहुत ही बढ़िया सबमरीन बॉल नीचे रहती हुई। इमरान खान का ये ओवर टर्निंग पॉइंट बन सकता है टीम फाल्कन फ्लायर्स के लिए। केवल अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान दे रहे हैं फाल्कन फ्लायर्स। तोता बोलता बहुत है लेकिन उड़ नहीं सकता, और जो बाज होता है वो बोलता कम है लेकिन आसमान में ऊपर उड़ता है। इसलिए कम बोलकर अपने प्रदर्शन के जरिए बोलना ये ज़्यादा उचित है खिलाड़ियों के लिए। इस बार रूबी कट बल्ले का अंदरूनी सिरा, बॉल गई फाइन लेग पर। स्कोर आगे बढ़ेगा अब 40 पे 4। 5-7 रन बनते हैं, फिर एक विकेट जाता है, फिर वापस 5-7-10 रन बनते हैं, एक विकेट जा रहा है। गुच्छों में विकेटें लेने में कामयाब रहे हैं फ्लाइंग फाल्कन्स। फील्डिंग बहुत अच्छी रही है। अंकित सुलाखे ने 2 कैच लिए, अभी अभी एक कैच श्रेयस पांडे ने लिया। तो बॉलिंग करते हुए इमरान खान, जर्सी नंबर 36। इस बार वापस एक बेहतरीन फील्डिंग और डायरेक्ट हिट लगा दिया था अंकित सुलाखे ने। सुलाखे बैटिंग करे तो लाख का और फील्डिंग करे तो 1.25 लाख का। क्या थ्रो किया था उन्होंने। बचपन में अंकित सुलाखे आनंद मेला में जाकर उन्होंने वो रबर बॉल से ग्लास गिराए हैं। (41 for 4) पारी का ये 5वां ओवर। इस्लाम जिमखाना एंड से बॉलिंग हो रही है, पारसी जिमखाना एंड से बैटिंग हो रही है। बॉल हवा में रही है। सुलाखे इस बार कैच लेना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, लेकिन बाउंड्री लाइन पर एक आसान कैच छूट गया, सपना टूट गया, मुकद्दर रूठ गया। फोर विकेट्स, यानी कि अब 5 ओवर का खेल शेष है। 30 balls and 50 runs. Welcome all of you to VCL Season 9, brought to you by Sogolytics, K12 Insights and Mountshut.com. 4 teams are playing in this tournament: Angular Attackers, Falcon Flyers, C Sharp Kings and React Royals. Earlier in the day, we also saw a ladies match.
हुस्न तेरा तो
Rohan gets ready to bowl the next over. Rohan Padwal, and he'll be bowling to Afan Ansari. A nice little partnership of about 12 to 20 runs can bring them back in the match. A perfect leg break. Rohan Padwal is bowling with a shorter run up, and he's hanging on to his approach in order to deliver fast. Now that's wide, given by umpire Hatim Kapasi. (44 for 4). Half tracker ball, and this time pulled away. Not much power behind the stroke, but he played it with perfection to ensure that he doesn't get out and also gets a single. 45 for 4. Angular Attackers chasing 93 against Falcon Flyers. Another wide. White ball has been problem with I think all the four teams, and when they come to play tomorrow, they would certainly work on it. Overpitched and it's ballooned in the air, and what a catch! Mouthset.com wicket. A big impact on this match. Has taken 3 catches and he batted well in the first innings. That's Sulake for you. Utility player. Sulake the batter, Sulake the fielder. Sandeep Gupta is the new arrival at crease. Angular attackers would want to win this match. League format is a wonderful format, but you would want to keep winning. Wide outside the leg stump. Rohan Padwar again missing on that consistency. He's trying to do experimentation, and the match is at the cusp of an interesting climax where such experimentations can be costly. Bowled him, stump to stump ball, and Mouthset.com wicket. There is a saying in cricket, play for side and not for self. Assess the situation, play according to the demand of the situation. New man in his Ninad, lots of hopes from him. There is a saying in cricket, top 5 are batters and last 6 are run getters. And the tail enders will have to start contributing to the cause of the team. Gupta gets out on 0. That's up in the air. Another wicket. Mouthset.com wicket number 7. Manoj Bopi is the new batter at non-striker's end. Afan Ansari to take strike against Imran Khan. Wide ball. 48 for 7. Angular attackers playing against Falcon Flyers. Both the team need a win. We have one more match coming up. Wide ball. C Sharp Kings. They're getting ready. Afan. That's on the middle stump and played at the very last moment. Pinpoint Yorkers by Imran Khan. He's just enjoying the conditions. He knows that this pitch is not just a belter, but it can assist the bowler as well. A bit of grass, a tingy green surface. Score 49 for 7. They are still long way short. Outside edge, but there's a fielder available. Falcon Flyers have done one great thing is to dry out the boundaries. No K12 inside sixes and no Sogolytics fours. That's where they have that cutting edge above angular attackers. Manoj Bhopi to face Imran. Played on the onside. They won't mind singles and doubles as long as they are not conceding fours and sixes. These are beautiful pictures coming to you. All the members enjoying cricket. Such a wonderful get-together come cricket. Full toss ball, mistimed, and Shreyas Pandey grabs another one. Mouthshut.com, wicket number 8.
Please be ready with his team. C Sharp Kings captain Shadab, please be ready with your team. Thank you.
$18 balls and 41 runs. Ikra also enjoying this match with a Hokko ice cream. She's also team owner of Angular Attackers. But it's not just attack. There has to be a Khadak attack. Stylish shot, but just a single. They might as well go for two, and it's a risky run, but finally he is back home safe. Put the pressure on the fielders. The only way you can win this match is by scoring runs. You can buy a phone on loan, and you can take a loan on your phone. But for runs, there are no runs on loan, and there is no loan against runs. Wide ball. Rohan Padwar is rushing through his over. He knows I don't want to waste time. It's a wide ball again. Wide balls and no balls are like 1 rupee, 2 rupee coins in your wallet, which are useful for small petty cash expenses. But if you want to run your house, you need 200 and 500 notes. And that's where those Sogolitics 4 and K12 inside 6s are missing in the wallet. Nice music played today by DJ Rohan Moe. Another good delivery. Falcon Flyers are right on top of this game. This is another good view of the sitting area where spectators are watching this match. Office bearers. Goes on the back foot and pulls away towards wideish mid wicket. Manoj Bopi will go ahead and complete 2. These runs will certainly come in to help, but score now 59 for 8. Still a long way to go. Required run rate going up all the time. Wide ball. When it comes to bowling wide, I think both the teams, they look like colonial cousins. You have bowled few, we'll bowl few. You helped us, we'll help you. Lower full toss, and this will be 4 runs. Elegant shot, and Sogolitics 4. Music, cheap attack, dum dum. Beautiful delivery, straightening a touch, collected neatly by Pandey behind the stumps. We come to the end of over number 8. Just 12 balls remaining now. Manoj Bopi came late in the batting order but has scored 7 runs of 4 balls. Mohammad Umair not out on 3 of 3. Rohan Padwar just completed his over. Gaurav to start fresh over from Parsi Gymkhana end. Last 2 overs remaining. 29 runs required. Stroke selection is one topic where they would want to work. Oh, that was a bad ball, no ball. That came from a mezzanine floor height, and they have converted single into double, and plus there is a no ball, plus there is a free hit. All of a sudden there is an action. Straight drive, trying to pierce the gap, but oh, what a stoppage that is. Falcon Flyers have been autopilot unit in terms of fielding. Huge difference between balls and runs. This time it's in the air, but just a single. Half tracker ball and an attempt to pull the ball gives him single. Good stop by Atharva. $70 for 8. Wide ball 71 for 8. Manoj Bopi is on the strike. Huge noise from the dugout for Bopi. Full toss ball, and what a lovely shot that is. Sogolitics 4. Out of the top order, couple of batters, especially Aditya and Ayush. One of these would have played a long innings, played a role of a sheet anchor and sailed through the difficult times. 76 for 9, 76 for 8. "17 runs required of 6 balls. Requesting both the teams to be ready for the last match of the day. Last over will be bowled by Atharva. 6 balls, 17 runs. It's Manoj Bopi who's on strike. And Mohammad Umar is at the non-strikers end. Lower full toss, played on the onside. Beautiful flick shot. This will be Sogolitics 4. 5 balls and 13 runs. Can Manoj Bopi do? balls and 8 runs. It's a nail-biting finish. Everyone on the edge of their seat. People who were sitting, they have all of a sudden, they have got off from their seats. Manoj Bopi. I remember Manoj Bopi. If you can do this. Atharva to Manoj. Playing it with delicate and soft hands. They take a single. They wanted to go for 2. Just a single. Two balls and 7 runs, and they must score a big shot on this ball. Atharva to bowl to Mohammad Umar. Umar goes for it. Is this the shot of the tournament? Oh, he has dropped it. They have taken 1. They are going for 2. And the score now 88 for 8. And they must hit 6 of the last ball. Can Mohammad Umar Khan go down in the history as one of the best batters in the VCL? Mohammad Umar. One ball 5. And that's the first run. They will go for second. So it's a 2 runs victory by Falcon Flyers. Congratulations.